So what is bottom balancing? Well, when you need several cells grouped together to power a device, you will need to do some sort of balancing. The reason is that battery cells are these fragile things that will die or will get damaged if you charge them or discharge them too much. If your cells are at a different state of charge and you start using them, their voltage is going to start dropping until the cell with the least amount of energy stored in it reaches 0 volts. At that point, if the energy keeps flowing through this empty cell, it will be damaged beyond repair. Now, if you attempt to charge this group of cells to the correct combined voltage, the two cells that are healthy will overcharge and thus get damaged, as they will take the energy that the already dead cell is now no longer able to store. So, imbalanced lithium cells will die the first time you attempt to use them. So that's why balancing is absolutely required. So what's the difference between top and bottom balancing? Well, in a perfect world, not much really. It just describes the point chosen to balance the cells, usually top or bottom, as the center portion is not usually chosen because a lot of battery chemistries don't show much of the voltage difference until they reach the edges of their cycle. So it's hard to tell where a cell is at when the voltage is the same on a nearly full cell and nearly empty one. Unfortunately, we don't live in a perfect world. And even if your cells are physically identical, made at the same time, in the same factory, they are going to be slightly different. There's always one cell smaller than the rest of them. So if you balance your pack, at the bottom, that smallest cell will reach the top before all others. And the same, if you top balance, then this same cell will reach the bottom first also. So this plays an important role because batteries suffer a different death at the bottom than they do at the top. On the bottom, the end comes quick and silent. The cell just loses its ability to store energy. Top side, on the other hand, comes much slower, with a lot of warning signs in the form of heat, venting, and ultimately a catastrophic explosion, sometimes followed by flames and fire. This cell here took more than an hour and twice its normal voltage to get it to die. But it is much more violent and potentially dangerous event. So there are those that will choose top balancing in an attempt to prevent any cell from overcharging, exploding, and catching fire, while others choose bottom balancing to prevent the quick, silent, but deadly death at the bottom. Now, which one should you choose? Well, tune in next time to find out why we choose bottom balancing.